Hey guys, Tony here. Also, I wanted to make a quick video of the NFTs that I bought from the Alien Secret Society. These are the 5 that I bought. I minted each one for around 0.15, and currently I do have lowball offers on all of them. I think my biggest, my rarest one is this one, the little green one right here. This is probably my rarest one. But as of right now, I'm just holding, not really looking at selling these for a while. I mean, they are my first NFTs, so I'm not thinking about selling them. I just kind of want to hold on to them. Don't really care about really anything else. Like, I'm not planning on selling these. I just want to see. I'm just gonna hold them, right? I'm really just planning on holding these maybe about a year out, seeing what happens, especially right now. Like, I do not want to sell these at the price of where Ethereum is at, especially if I think that we can still go higher on Ethereum, making these NFTs be a little bit better as far as sell price. But these are all mine, right? 5 minted, gonna keep these for at least a year. They do not have any perks as far as the monthly payout of $50, $100, $1,000. Those all went to the top 500 in rarity. But as of right now, unless I can get like 0.3 for these NFTs, I will be holding on to them for the foreseeable future. Don't really care right now about looking at these every single day. Don't really care what they're worth. If in 1 year they end up being minimum like 0.3, 0.4, then I'll probably sell 2 or 3 to make back my initial investment. But as of right now, I'm not really looking or care too much about where this is. Just kind of happy that I bought my first NFTs for now. But some of these are selling for some crazy prices. Like this one just sold for 10 Ethereum, 3.6, 3. This one list price of $6.99, but these are like the really rare ones, so definitely not even looking into buying those. Don't care about those. But yeah, my first NFTs. Just wanted to update you guys again. Not really interested in selling them. All I'm really doing is holding them. Maybe they end up being worth something a little bit more after about a year, because it never hurts to have a little bit of fool's insurance on your side. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.